My champagne brunch is all about gourmet treats. And for the grand finale, I'm making flaky croissants baked with eggs, pancetta, cheese, topped with wild mushrooms and truffle oil. And as my croissants cool up, I'm gonna get started on the eggs. I'm gonna get a mixture of cream and milk into here. Mustard powder is just ground up mustard seed. And be careful, it's a lot hotter than regular prepared mustard. And anything that's decadent needs a little cheese, some Gruyere. And now that my croissants are cooled down and ready to handle, watch this super neat trick. I'm gonna tuck the bottom in, and then the top's gonna go on. This is ready for that creamy mixture. These just need to get into the fridge. And these are just so good, so I made some earlier. For the mushroom mixture to go over top, you can use whatever you like. My mixture absolutely has to have the king oyster mushroom. It's so meaty and delicious. I love it. The smell of those mushrooms and that salty pancetta fill up your kitchen. I mean, this alone on a little crostini is perfect. But I'm about to make this even better. Have a look at these. And they pop out so easily. Little showstopper here. And I find the truffle oil pairs up so well with mushrooms, but a little goes a long way. Some green chives for that light onion flavor. And for the king of cheeses, some Parmigiano Reggiano.